Mercedes-Benz EQG. The EQG, a Mercedes-Benz 8th dedicated electric car, was unveiled as a concept at the Munich Motor Show last year. The electric G-Class marks the beginning of an era of electrification for the conventional hardcore off-roader, a staple of the German automaker's lineup since 1979. The EQG is based on the current G-Class iteration, codenamed the W463, and is constructed on a modified version of the steel ladder frame chassis used by internal combustion engine vehicles. It'll be manufactured alongside the ladder at partner Magna Steyr's facility in Graz, Austria. Early road-going prototypes show that the EQG will have the same distinctive square-rigged external appearance as past G-Class cars. While camouflaged, they incorporate regular body panels and several subtle but distinct elements, such as a new-look front bumper and a blanked-off grille, as hinted at in the previous design. Unlike the other EQ models from Mercedes-Benz, the EQG lacks a front luggage area and a trunk. The charging wire will be stored in a lockable box similar to the concept and installed on the sideways opening tailgate instead of the spare tire.